Suppose a plus b is equal to 8 and a times b is equal to 6. The question is to find the value of each of the following. We know that binomial a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? Since a plus b is equal to 8 and ab is equal to 6, this is 8 squared is equal to a squared plus 2 times 6 plus b squared. So 64 is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times 6, 12. So a squared plus b squared is equal to 64 minus 12, which is equal to 52. Right? So this is 52. This time we have to find a minus b squared. That is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Right? From previous question, we found out a squared plus b squared was 52. Right? So this expression is equal to a squared, let me write it, a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So this is equal to 52 minus 2 times ab is equal to 6, right? So 52 minus 12, that is equal to 40, right?